Now, when we think about threats to India's infrastructure, we usually think about floods, accidents, or aging roads and bridges. But there's another silent problem slowly damaging the country's assets: rust. According to a Nomura report, every year, corrosion quietly eats away more than 14 lakh crore rupees or $146 billion from India's economy. Rust may look like a small issue, a patch on a bridge, a corroded railway component, or a damaged metal structure. But when this happens across millions of assets, the cost becomes enormous. According to the report, corrosion-related losses are equal to around 4.3% of India's GDP. The biggest impact is not just the money spent on repairs, it is the opportunity cost. Resources that could have been used to build new roads, power plants, or public infrastructure are instead spent on fixing assets that deteriorated faster than expected. Corrosion affects almost every sector that depends on metal and steel. The power sector loses nearly 54,000 crore rupees as corrosion affects transmission equipment, plants, and other critical systems. Railways, telecommunications, and the automotive sector also face crores in losses due to maintenance, replacements, and reduced asset life. For a country investing heavily in infrastructure, this creates a major challenge. India's weather conditions make the corrosion problem even bigger. Heavy monsoon rains, high humidity, and salty coastal air create the perfect environment for metals to deteriorate faster. A bridge near the sea, a highway exposed to rainfall, or a power facility in a humid region may face very different corrosion risks. The Nomura report says countries like the US and Japan use environment-specific standards where infrastructure protection is designed according to local conditions. India has corrosion protection guidelines, but experts say that they need stronger implementation and more specific standards for different environments. Now, the solution is not just repairing rust damage after it happens, it is also preventing it from happening in the first place. Better protection measures could extend the life of India's infrastructure, reduce costs, and potentially add up to 1.5% to GDP over time.